recognize you.
All these people. Hello. Hello, aren't you? I forgot who you were, except that you were poor.
That's right on the money.
Are you poor even now? Poor thing.
Wait a second, hot pink one?
Yes.
Then you're hippo.
HPO? Hippo?
Yeah, you're hippo.
Hippo! Where's the eye?
You have to.
The eye doesn't
Yes.
Oh, hot pink one.
Hot pink one, yes, you are.
You can
are
shorten
then.
it to hippo if hot pink one is too long.
Let's click Oni-chan. Let's click.
Yes. Oh, do I? If I'm Oni-chan, what do I call you? Wait.
What kind of language are you speaking?
It's an ancient language. You know,
Yeah,
not
it's an
everybody
ancient-
remembers.
It's an ancient bond between blood brothers.
Yes, brother. I'll just call you brother. You could call me Oni-chan now.
Okay,
Yes.
you're my Oni-chan.
Wait, I don't remember brotherhood being a piggy bank. You know, I think you need to grow up and learn how to provide for yourself. How much did you need again?
Like 20. Wow, Oni-chan, Daisuki.
But this is how I gather the hearts of the people, huh? Is it money? Yeah!
Will you make me yummy meals in the future, Oni-chan?
Yes, I will make you yummy meals. Just give me a holler.
I will give you a holler.
If you are starving, I will not leave my brother to starve to death.
Thank you, Oni-chan.
Yes.
Daisuki.
Yeah. Ow!
What's your occupation?
What is this thing that you have for me?
What is the thing?
I have made a rare charm that is +4 defense. I got full defense on stat.
But
Full
I got
4.
+4
Perfect
HP.
answer for you guys. I can have both. Yes, both. Both is necessary in life. Don't you think?
That is true.
So there's no need to
Yeah, I
fight.
just wanted you to know that my birthday's tomorrow and that I love chocolate. Yeah.
How old are you turning? I'm Oni-chan, so technically you should be younger than me, right?
I'll write it before I
How old are you turning?
2.
2! I did
Don't
not.
deny it.
No, I am denying because I did not
those
kill.
4 pigs, I can sell potato salad for 110 coins.
I didn't know it was such a big sin to kill those pigs. You've killed pigs,
had a
right?
family. They had a future. They were gonna go to college.
They were gonna go to college.
You took that away from them.
They were that smart.
They were.
They
This world is different.
Without the smart college graduate pigs, I didn't know. I didn't know.
Now you know. To atone for your sins, consider buying my potato salad. I'll be off now.
Ah! Do I have to
Hi,
make my
fancy
sense?
meeting you here.
No, get away from me! Get away from me!
No, you get away from me.
Hey,
I
where that?
won't forgive you until you buy my potato
No,
salad.
I can make my own potato salad. You
Well,
scammer!
your potato salad doesn't want you, bacon killer.
Bacon kill. The word bacon killer is such a power word. No one knows.
It's your calling.
Wait, really? You were born as a chef and no one knows?
Yeah.
Now we know.
Yeah,
We know
no.
now.
My cake is very much wanted. Mori, I think your cake is not gonna be as wanted as mine.
I mean, I'm
Oh
not
my
really a cake
goodness.
expert.
Oh.
What is your
that's Shiori's thing.
expertise?
Everything that isn't cake.
Everything.
Shiori does cake and I do everything else.
I'm gonna lower the prices. Watch me.
Okay.
We'll get strawberry cake next time.
Strawberry cake.
There's strawberries in this world?
Are there?
No, there's chocolate, so...
I
don't see
love
why not.
strawberries.
I thought your favorite was chocolate.
Oh, I said I love chocolate. I didn't say my favorite was chocolate.
Oh.
Why are
Okay.
you not listening to me, brother? Have you forgotten already my preferences, Oni-chan?
Oni-chan has bad memory, you see.
It's okay.
Oni-chan needs to... What is your favorite then?
It's a
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Is your favorite strawberry and chocolate, but...
But I like chocolate a lot as well.
I see.
You like boobies?
No, I said
Huh?
blueberry, and I'm not in this conversation. I'm sorry. I
You-
put it into your conversation. Oh.
She's just embarrassed. I'm sure that was her true intention.
hope
I
you
wonder if I can
enjoy
make it right here.
Whoa, what's going
She's
on?
selling cake.
Shop setup.
What are you doing?
I want to shut up shop. I'm just.
Why would you do it? Are you going to set it up here?
I was thinking of how putting it over here. You know.
Oh, how convenient that everyone's food stores are next to each other.
I think it's for convenience sake. You know.
Yes.
Convenient. But I'm the one building the establishment.
That's so convenient.
It is very convenient.
Purchased right here at the restaurant. The town restaurant.
Oh wait. First of all, I need to make sure.
Hey, why are you putting it right in front of the stairs?
it's so
Stop,
that
this
people.
is my-
What?
It's perfect. You know, people will be struck with good deals right before they enter a building. It's like it's
Get your
perfect.
own.
It's perfect.
You and Shiori, go get your own shops. My God.
It is very convenient, you know?
What a beautiful food court.
Yes, the food court, see?
Oh, you're so kind building a food court
Alright.
for everyone.
Right, I know.
No, you know what? That's fine, but you have to pay rent to me.
Rent?
Yeah, you have to pay rent. 500 coins a day.
I thought it was free.
No.
I thought Fight Club was
Hello?
free.
No, Fight Club is free. Fight Club is anything anybody can join. It's just you can't
Oh,
sell food in
yes.
front of it. It's my store. My store. All right, 500 coins a day. Pay up.
Punch me.
Not now. Not now. It's not time.
And then
yet.
I'll punch you up so much that you will be willing to have my shop for there for free,
No,
right? Right,
no.
right. That's how it works. I know.
What the heck?
And then I beat you up like crazy.
Coins.
And you're like, okay, never mind.
You have to
Morty.
fight with Shiori. Then.
Yes.
You
I
have
am
to figure
I'm
it out with
planning
her.
on lowering the prices of cake. That is my goal. Cake for
Okay.
everyone.
All right, well, you can make whatever you want, just not on my property. If you want to make cake, though, you can make it on my property. That's fine.
Okay. How much money do you have, brother?
1,486. Farewell, brother. I'm doing quest now. Bye-bye, Oni-chan.
Why is she so rich?
Oh, hello!
Hello.
Welcome!
What happened?
Welcome back!
What happened to? Wait.
I'm so glad you could come back in time.
Wait. There's a. Oh.
Pay
where-
your rent.
Wait, I thought cake was fine. I thought if it was just cake, it'd be fine. What is this wall?
This is you put it right in front of my tavern. If you want to sell at my food court, you have to pay rent.
What? Did Shiori pay rent?
Well, if you take a little look over here, you will also notice that Shiori's got a boot around her store too.
Oh my god, that's 500 coins? That's so
500 coins.
expensive.
Oni-chan,
Yes?
you didn't pay your rent?
No, I didn't know there was rent. She said we could sell just cake if it was just cake. And she's going back on her word that Morty needs to be taught a lesson.
Round?
Building. A lot of them were walking around with way more. How? Well, probably because I buy a gazillion construction kits. I've been building. Let's see. Should do crimson floor. What about mangrove? Well, this is kind of a nice color. Will the floor actually be that color
Can
though?
anyone make a poster for me
Find out.
and post it in #RavenCrafts?
Well,
Just a thought
I could make a round
If you
house.
want
That
to.
would be kind of cute.
for my food shop. You don't have you just have to use free.
Well, right now I'm just mapping out the
You
building.
know how to defend yourself? I do. It's called Look What I Did Right Here. Yes. I have defended myself. Oh yes. As you can imagine. The chefs, we're supposed to be comrades, but I don't see a way that we can make money economically without competing with each other, lowballing each other's prices. Less of a tavern, more of a fortress. Yeah, I can kind of see that.
Phew. Okay.
Hold on, let me look around.
It's an attempt.
Well, we can run to the journal place at like the 10-minute mark. I'll remind you.
Thank you for being my timer. Please.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Signing close.
Journal day 1. Okay.
Okay. I think I did it. I think I turned it in.
I did it.
Do we just sign and close, right? Sign and close, right?
Sign close and then right-click this and submit to library. Daily journal to library.
Okay, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
Yeah!
We did it! We made it in time! I wonder how it is. Are we gonna be kicked out? Are we gonna be kicked out anytime?
We're gonna be kicked out!
Any minute, Oni-chan will... Oni-chan mo Daisuki da yo!
Daisuki da yo! Wait, we have a minute. Oh.